Hey, I wanted to show you how to use your Chameleon in-wall retractable hose. Here in our showroom, we have it installed up higher on the wall. It may be installed in your home a little bit lower as well. When you open the door, the first thing you'll see is the handle of the hose. You go in there and reach in with just a couple of fingers, and you can pull it right out. When you pull the hose, you'll know when you get to the end because you'll hear the hose click and lock into position. If you actually wanted to, all of these retractable hoses, if you give them an extra twist and a pull, can be removed right out of the wall. And they have an end which will allow you to take them and plug into a standard central vacuum inlet. So it's a very adaptable system. Typically, you'll get that hose right there, and when you want to start using the vacuum, you'll turn the suction on with the switch right behind the ball. Turn the suction on, go ahead and use the hose, use the vacuum, and when you want the hose to retract back into the wall, put your hand on the end, come back with your other hand to the hose where it's going into the inlet and give it a twist again. And with your hand on the end, the suction will fill that hose and retract it right back into the wall. When you get back to the inlet, go ahead and just make sure that that hose rolls back over the end of that ball and seals itself up, and you're done.